Now, today's topic is relation between alpha and beta for transistor. Now, we can use here transistor in common emitter mode and transistor in common base mode. The circuit diagram for common emitter mode and common base mode is as shown in given figure, and we know that when transistor is connected in common emitter mode, that time the output current is collector current and input current is base current. So therefore the current gain beta is given by beta is equal to output current IC upon input current IB. So as we know that in common emitter mode of transistor, due to very small change in base current, there is large change in collector current. Therefore, the value of beta for common emitter mode is very large as compared to 1, and beta is represented by IC upon IB, which is represented by equation number 1. Now for common base mode. In common base mode, the output current is collector current and input current is IE, emitter current, which is as shown in given figure. As we know that the doping concentration of emitter is very large as compared to collector current, so therefore the current gain alpha for common base mode, which is represented by alpha is equal to IC upon IB. Therefore the value of alpha is always less than 1, that is up to 0.95. So from equation 1 and 2, the formula for current gain beta is equal to IC upon IB and current gain alpha is equal to IC upon IE. So this is the current equation for both mode, that is common emitter mode and common base mode. Now we know that the current equation for a transistor is represented by IE is equal to IB upon IC, which is represented by equation number 3. Now divide both sides by IC. So therefore IE upon IC is equal to IB upon IC plus IC upon IC. So this is represented by 1 upon, now after rearranging we can rearrange the equation, that is 1 upon IC upon IE equal to 1 upon IC upon IB plus 1. But we know that from equation 1 and 2, beta is equal to IC upon IB and alpha is equal to IC upon IE. Substitute this value in this equation, then we get here from equation 1 and 2, 1 upon alpha is equal to 1 upon beta plus 1. So for common emitter mode, 1 upon alpha is equal to 1 plus beta upon beta. So therefore alpha is equal to beta upon 1 plus beta. So this is the relation between alpha and beta. Now for again here to calculate the value of beta, if we replace this equation, 1 upon beta is equal to 1 upon plus minus 1, therefore 1 upon beta is equal to 1 minus alpha upon beta, therefore beta is equal to alpha upon 1 minus alpha. So from equation number 4 we can say that the value of alpha is always less than 1, because here the formula is represented by alpha is equal to beta upon 1 plus beta. But in equation number 5, beta is equal to alpha upon 1 minus alpha. So here it is represented that the value of beta is large and the value of alpha is less than 1. So in this way, this is the relation between alpha and beta.